Hey guys, let's uncover a massive financial secret right under our noses. How to find the next AMD.
Micron is up 774% in a single year. Feels like the greatest market ever, right?
But it's an illusion. While tech chips are absolutely exploding, your favorite everyday consumer brands are secretly cratering.
The trade desk? Down 71%. Lululemon dropped 57%. Whirlpool plummeted 52%. It is just brutal out there. So, despite those flashy, record-breaking index highs on the news, we're actually in a stealth stock market crash.
Check the Russell 3000. A staggering 65% of those companies are currently down double digits from their highs.
Honestly, it's worse. 37% are down over 30%. Over a third of the entire market is crashing.
It basically mirrors our economy right now, a booming top third, while everyone else is just barely scraping by.
The crazy part? A tiny handful of giant semiconductor companies are literally holding up the entire market.
Short-term cash is flooding in. Micron's projected net margins might hit a completely unbelievable 60% this year.
But come on, can any hardware company hold 60% margins for a decade? Absolutely no way.
Because that bubble will pop. A massive, historic rotation of money is coming our way very, very soon.
Trillions in sidelined cash will enter the market, aggressively hunting for ignored, unloved, non-semiconductor opportunities.
Keep in mind, today's darlings were yesterday's jokes. AMD was dead money for years, intensely hated and mocked. Real, life-changing gains happen when you buy those deeply hated stocks before Wall Street realizes their actual value. Consumer stocks are totally buried right now. Brands like Nike, Celsius, and ELF Beauty are down but fundamentally strong. Over in tech and finance, SoFi is down 39%, despite having incredible growth and a massive future.
And if housing rebounds, battered, high-end stocks like Whirlpool and RH are primed for absolutely enormous, rapid recoveries.
So don't get distracted by the short-term noise. Focus entirely on 5 to 10-year horizons and those shifting margins.
A massive capital rotation is definitely coming. Will you chase today's expensive hype or buy tomorrow's greatest comeback?